I'm on. I'm on. Oh yes. Sweet. Finally. I knew these guys are chasing me. Smaller guy, but I'm super happy. Oh. Oh, he would jump on the net. Oh. Strong guys. Oh, it's a pretty big trout. Oh, I just missed a big trout. Dang it. Oh, I'm on. I'm on. I'm on. Please stay on. Oh, it's a good size one. Woo, I need to try my drag a little more. Oh my goodness, let's get it, baby. Oh, oh, he's a feisty one. Oh, jeez. Oh, wow, this guy's big. Oh no, stay on. The second one for the day. Let's keep going. One more. Alrighty. My hands. Sweet. One more. Alrighty. My hands. Sweet. So here we have the trout. My mom is seasoning it. We have cilantro, green onion, lemongrass, just raw pepper, and some salt, and I forgot what these seasoning things are called. This is the larger trout that I caught. So what she did was she just cleaned it up, kind of cut on the side there, put some seasoning in between, and we are going to throw them in the oven. Yeah, got oven, huh? Mm-hmm. This is the inside of the trout. It's where all the meat inside, the white meat, gets its flavor from. See all this pepper? I like it hot and spicy. Forgot, but she also made the other two trout steam. I don't really know if she has it, but I can see tomato. Mà có much cho nó mà.
Không có chọn đồ ha.
Green onion.
Đâu sư ha, tốt đủ ha.
I don't know how to translate those in English. This is the finished product of the trout. We also got some chicken and some jalapeno, and then the soup style trout. All right, so I'm gonna take a bite, give them my review. Spicy, perfect sauce, perfect seasoning. Could be a little spicier. The soup, I'm gonna taste it. Woo, now that one's spicy. Last but not least, you can't go wrong with chicken wings. You ain't gotta eat the jalapeno. It's good. Thanks to my mom. Thanks for watching this video.